Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Sekou and Mama Imani, back on trek. We have been staying in, using the excuse of the rain and the rumors of rain to not walk very far from home. So today, on this Wellness Wednesday, this is the first time that we have been out in, I would say, a little over a week, and it is chilly out here. I'm always talking about Indian summer, but I think that it skipped us in VA this year. It is about 60 to 65 degrees. We are in hoodies, and it's a struggle with joints not being warmed up as we started out. And by the time we got here to the community center, yeah, we're warmed up muscularly, but as far as how it feels on the skin, and especially on my head, I am not warm at all. So y'all get out there, make your Wellness Wednesday safe, make it healthy, and remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We simply have to act like it. Hashtag be a good neighbor, hashtag do something nice, hashtag fam treks, hashtag girl trek. Peace and blessings.